Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse for hair at home. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of argan oil, and about 5 drops of an essential oil for fragrance. Make sure everything is at room temperature before you begin. This helps achieve a smooth, consistent mixture. Now, let's mix it up. Carefully pour your aloe vera gel, distilled water, argan oil, and essential oil into a clean, empty pump bottle. Once everything is inside, secure the lid tightly. Shake the bottle vigorously for at least 30 seconds. This thorough mixing is key. You're aiming for a light, slightly foamy consistency that will dispense easily. Applying your homemade mousse is simple. Start by dispensing a small amount, perhaps 1 or 2 pumps, into the palm of your hand. Work it through your damp hair, focusing on even distribution from the roots to the ends. This ensures consistent hold and volume. Now, you can style your hair as you normally would, whether air drying or using a diffuser for extra bounce. Using homemade hair mousse offers fantastic benefits. You get natural hold and volume without exposing your hair to harsh chemicals often found in commercial products. Plus, this recipe is incredibly cost-effective, saving you money in the long run. It's a great way to nourish your hair naturally. For more great deals and to grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.